how are you?
Yeah. Yeah, that's Beachy Head.
Let's go! Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video, and today something a little bit different. I'm gonna go pick my cousin up. This has been quite a spontaneous thing. I'm gonna pick my cousin up. We're gonna head down to a well-known area called Beachy Head. For those of you who are down south, you will know what that is. And yes, we're gonna go do some driving around there, get some content, some footage. It's gonna be a very, very sick first-person experience of what it is like to drive and own an Abarth 595 Turismo. And guys, let me tell you something. Just because there's loads of cars around doesn't mean I ain't gonna give you a cold start. No, no, no. I've come not to care about what other people think. So cold starters in process. There are gonna be cars in the background. 595, yeah buddy! Love that condensation. Not good for the environment, but not bad. We are just warming her up, guys. I'm not sure if you can see, but the temperature bars, I like it to get to 90 degrees, or I say 90, I mean halfway. I don't actually know what the temp is at that point, but I like it to get to the proper warm threshold before I start actually thrashing it around. So we are en route to pick my cousin up, and we're just warming her up a little bit, get her prepped and ready for the drive. I'm one of those people who likes to spend time warming up the car, especially if I know I'm going to hammer it. But also, yeah, I wouldn't typically go boosting my turbo while it's still cold, because quite frankly I think that's just quite logical. You're asking for trouble, aren't you? My cousin's just about to arrive, but guys, I look like an absolute KNOB. It's mounted around my neck. So that's not how chest mounts are supposed to work. He's gonna have something to say. He's like an RT guy, so for him, yeah, this sort of shit would be funny. Do you like my chest mount, dude? Sachi, how are you? Yeah, good, thanks. Let's go!
Interesting.
Alrighty guys, so that is a wrap. Thanks to Trist for the videos and for
I'm freezing for you, yeah.
as I say guys, the things we do for content's unbelievable. But guys, stay tuned. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.